Once you've downloaded and installed the Citrix software, according to the X295 software setup instructions, you'll have the application on your computer. Now, some of the earlier documentation, some of the documentation here talks about accessing it through your browser. This doesn't. This Citrix Workspace is a recent update and it changes how you access it, but pretty much all the documentation works if you just ignore the part about starting a browser. So if we double left click on the Citrix Workspace, now this is here in the Mac, but it would just show up in your Start menu and then under Citrix Workspace on the PC. After you click on it, it looks the same. I might be in one of these other windows, the apps or the favorites, but if I click on this top middle one, it's the Citrix desktops, and I'll click on the CFans desktop to start a CFans desktop. Now I'll have to authenticate myself a couple of times here, giving my X5 number, 500 number and ID. Sometimes to get into Citrix or the first time you start it, it'll ask for your login, and then sometimes it doesn't. Actually, once I first logged in and have it set up on the computer, I don't think it comes up again. So here I'm in this virtual machine, and this is just a window that is running a computer on some servers, I think on the West Bank campus, with some data space over there. Now, one of the first things I want to do is start ArcGIS Pro. So if I double left click to start ArcGIS Pro, it'll want to make sure that I'm using a authenticated version, so I'll have to log in, and I'll log in through an ArcGIS organizational URL here. So I'll click on this and type UMN for the organization and continue, and then it will authenticate me with my X500 number. So this is mine, and then it gives me the push for the authentication. Once authenticated, then it starts Arc. So that gets me in, that gets me started.